This video covers steps for installing the Graco Forever Extend2Fit Platinum 4-in-1 car seat in forward-facing mode with the seatbelt and belt lock-off. We'll go over step-by-step instructions to help ensure your car seat is installed securely. Before getting started, have your car seat manual and your vehicle's manual on hand. And make sure your vehicle is on level ground.
Graco supports the American Academy of Pediatrics and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's car seat guidelines. Please review this information before proceeding.
Now we will show you the steps for a forward-facing installation with the seatbelt and belt lock-off. First, push the base against the vehicle's seat back in the rear seat. Make sure at least 80% of the base is on your vehicle's seat. Unhook the top tether strap from storage and set aside. Ensure your car seat is in the approved recline position for forward-facing before installing. To install your car seat with seatbelt and belt lock-off, follow these steps. Start by loosening the harness straps. Then raise the headrest to the highest position. Unbuckle the chest clip and the buckle. Lift the headrest pad flap up and out of the way. Undo the two lower snaps. Open the belt lock-off. Thread your vehicle's seatbelt through the forward-facing belt path marked with an orange label. Buckle the seatbelt, making sure the seatbelt lies flat and is not twisted. To tighten the seatbelt, press firmly down in the center of the car seat. Pull on the shoulder belt to tighten. When the seatbelt is tight, close and lock the lock-off. Make sure both the lap belt and the shoulder belt are under the lock-off. Replace the seat pad and move the headrest back to its proper position for your child. Next, attach the tether. Extend the top tether by lifting up on the tether lock and attach to your vehicle. Remove all the slack in the top tether strap. Finally, go through this checklist to make sure installation is correct. Test for tightness. Grab the sides of the seat where the vehicle's seatbelt is routed and slide the seat side to side and front to back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, repeat the installation. Check the harness. For forward-facing car seat, harness slots should be at or above the child's shoulders. Raise or lower the harness as needed to ensure the harness is in the right position. Check the chest clip. Once buckled in, ensure the chest clip is at armpit level on your child. Raise or lower as needed. Do the pinch test. Tighten the harness strap snugly by pulling on the front adjuster strap. If you can pinch the harness strap at your child's shoulders, the straps are too loose. If you have all check marks, then you have a successful installation.